Hey guys, welcome to the kitchen. I'm very excited because today I'm cooking Thai food. Now I'm making a tom yum soup. It's delicious, it's hot, it's sour, it's spicy, it's thin in consistency, but it's rich in spice and flavor. One of my favorites. Where we're gonna start is one of these. This is a Thai red curry paste. How cool is that? It's a Bosch one. But I'm gonna show you how to make one right here. Into our liquidizer, add some fresh coriander, black peppercorns, toasted coriander and cumin seeds, trimmed lemongrass, Kaffir lime leaves, tomato puree, peeled garlic cloves. That's shallots. That is a full blender. You're gonna have to like push that down. Get in there, you lot. Next, fresh ginger, a splash of lime juice, 1 roasted red pepper, some hot, fresh chili peppers, 2 teaspoons of salt, and finally, if you've got the nerve, a bird's eye chili. A splash of water to loosen and help all of that mix together. And then get that lid on. That is a blender full of goodness. Let's blitz. Boom. Oh, let's smell that. Wow. Straight up your nose. That is incredible. Ian, come have a sniff of this. Woo! Right? That is our paste sorted. Now let's get on with our soup. 4 delightful little jars of curry paste. 3 of them I'm gonna keep in the fridge or freezer for another recipe. 1 of them we're gonna use to make this lovely soup. So I've got a wok. I'm gonna add 100 mils of my red curry paste, some palm sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Just mix that all together really well, and that gives us our tom yum paste. Slightly sweeter and a bit more liquid, which is gonna help us make our soup. That will do. I'm gonna take that off the heat now and pop that tom yum paste, ready to go, into a little bowl. Same pan back on the hob, splash more oil, in with the onions, ginger, garlic, and some finely sliced chilies. Now you really want that heat up on full to cook these bad boys quickly. The wok is perfect for that. If you're feeling a little bit chefy, you can always toss them around. Oh, look at that, perfect. Smelling absolutely fragrant in here. These need about 2-3 more minutes so they're nice and soft. Now back in with the curry paste that we made earlier, tomato puree, and ½ litre of stock. Mix that all together. Oh my goodness, the smells in this room are out of this world. You need to try making this one. And once all of that tomato puree has mixed away and everything is blended, add the remaining litre of stock. And to this soup, we're gonna add some lemongrass, some more lime leaves, stir that together, then bring that to a boil and leave to simmer for 20 minutes. Our soup has reduced significantly in the last 20 minutes. Now, it's not quite ready yet because we need some acidity. We need that sourness. This is a hot and sour soup. So I'm gonna add the juice of 2 to 3 limes. So this is the time when you wanna taste it and check you're happy. Perfect. Hot, sour, salty, delicious. We'll add our veg. We've got some water chestnuts. We're gonna add some chestnut mushrooms in here. These funny little things, they are enoki mushrooms. Don't stress if you can't find these, any mushrooms will do. Some cherry tomatoes chopped up and some finely sliced red chilies for even more heat. Stir that all together and just bring that back up to a boil. And we're gonna bubble this away for 5 more minutes and then it's ready to serve. Tom yum is looking banging. The mushrooms and tomatoes have cooked up. Now I'm gonna get that into a little bowl. And doesn't that look good? Hot, steaming, spicy tom yum soup, Bosch style. That is a proper delicious thing, and it goes even better with a little sprinkle of spring onions and fresh coriander. Well, it looks absolutely incredible. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, oh my goodness. So much flavor. You can tell how much time has gone into making this soup. It's got layers of complexity, it's got depth, it's got heat, it's got sourness, it's got a little bit of sweetness, and most importantly, it's got the freshness of those lovely herbs and all those vegetables we put in. What an absolutely delicious ode to Thailand. If I could marry a food, this would be it. Tom Yum, will you be my bride? No, there's no answer. Never mind. Guys, let me know what you thought of this video down in the comments below. I hope you cook this recipe. It is so worth it. Do subscribe if you haven't already. And you know what? We're gonna see you on the next video. Peace. What a recipe.